Hi everyone, I was just practicing something because if you read the way we wrote it, the title of it, even you'd get lost. Okay, so that's an unusual burpee exercise. I do it without a push-up, but we can add a push-up to it if we want, so I'll actually show you both. So this is it. Start off in a nice tall position. We lift one leg up, like that, okay? Leg stays up. Come down, kick back, land. Apart, together, kick forward, staying up, look up, and then jump. All on one leg. Other side. Lift the leg up, come down, kick back, apart, together, kick forward, look up, and jump up. Okay, you want to add a push-up? This is how it goes. Leg up, apart, together, push up, up. Other side. Up. Still a bit easy for you. Leg up. And up. So that is a single-legged burpee with a whole lot of other words after it, okay? So hope you enjoyed that one. I'm Con. See you next time for another great tutorial. Bye-bye.